Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to TK Rev Studio today. We have LG UltraGear 27 inches 140 Hz refresh rate gaming monitor. I'm exciting to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. This monitor's about $700, link in the description, if you guys want to pick this up for yourselves. Let's talk specs. Designed for the win. Lose yourself in the game with a virtually borderless, ultra-thin. Designed that augmentation, easily that optimizes space within your battle station make height. Tilt and pivot adjustments to the display to be able to see and play exactly to your specs. Amp up your game. DTSE headphone exit for provides accurate spatialization and localization in games for 3D audio over headphones. Supports channel-based, scene-based, and object-based audio plus a 4-pole headphone jack. Lets you carry a stereo headphone signal and mono microphone signal with common ground. Customized for a game-changing experience. Choose from a variety of modes including gamer, FPS or RTS two-timized display settings for the best view possible. Speed 140 for Hz refresh rate, IPS 1 millisecond GTG response time display. 27 inches UHD 3840 by 2160 IPS, HDR10, up to DC IP3 95% technology. NVIDIA G-SYNC compatible 3 AMD FreeSync premiums. Stunning for gaming. See the game as it was meant to be seen with a vivid picture. On a large 27 inches IPS screen for an even bigger gaming experience. Compete in vibrant color. This UltraGear display supports up to 95% type of the DC IP3 color gamut, expressing high fidelity color paired with VESA displayer for 100 delivering dynamic contrast. On the UHD display, advanced gaming features, dynamic action sync, respond to action as it happens with reduced input lag. Black stabilizer. Black stabilizer is your ally to attack or defend in dark scenes. FPS counter your frames per second. Display for real-time data. Crosshair. Center display crosshairs give enhanced vision and precision. Performance compatible with PC and console gaming. From the 27G R93 use HDMI to 0.1 connection. Game at up to 4K. UHD resolution with the ultra-smooth 140 Hz refresh rate on. PC games and get up to a 120 Hz refresh rate support on next-gen gaming consoles. 1 millisecond response time designed for incredible speed. Reimagine every scene with vivid, responsive IPS at 27. LG's UltraGear IPS display features vibrant color, contrast, clarity, and detail, while delivering ultra-fast 1 millisecond GTG response rates. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you like this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.